have the same two-letter sound making the U sound. So sometimes it can make the U sound, sometimes it can make the U sound. U, U, U. So EW can make the U sound as well as the U sound. So let's put the U sound into some words then. Okay, and the first word is few. Few. You. Few. You. Few. I have a few different coloured markers here. Okay, I have a different couple, few different markers. You, few, 3 letters and 2 sounds. You, few. Okay, next one is skew. Skew. You, skew. You, skew. We've got 2 adjacent consonants here. Sk. We want to blend them together to make the sk sound. Sk, sk, sk. You, skew. Sometimes the camera is a different skew and I need to skew it back into place. Skew, sk, you, skew. Super, 4 letters, 3 sounds there. And next one, or the last one, is curfew. Curfew. You. Curfew. You. Curfew. You. Curfew. My curfew is 8 o'clock. I need to be back in the house by 8 at night. That is my curfew. Could be a sentence. You. Curfew. Okay, how many letters does curfew have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 letters. How many sounds? You. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sounds for curfew. Great. So now let's say them all again together. Make sure you're saying at home to practice your phonics skills. And we have the U sound. U. Few. You. Few. Skew. You. Skew. And curfew. You. Curfew. Okay, super. So thank you very much for watching today. Please remember to like the video and subscribe as well. It would be great help growing the channel. Also, please share the video and leave a comment as well. Thanks again.